13th of August. Yeah, I do look a bit like a fluffy lion. It's been warm and humid today. I am checking on the watermelons, sugar babies, and I think they're ready. So, I've looked at other YouTube videos, and the way you can tell is there's a tendril that comes off this one here, and if it dried all the way to the base, then it's ready. I'll have to see when I get home. The other one, ooh, it's almost. Some stuff in here. Where are we? We can see there's a bit of green on the base, but it's mostly. Hang on, that's not in focus. Mostly gone. That sounds dull. That sounds a bit ringy. Let's see if he's got a yellow bottom. Not much of a yellow bottom. It's supposed to be the other way, you can tell, but I think I might take one of them home, see what that one's like, and leave the other one for at least a couple of days. That's not gone yellow underneath. The third one in the corner won't be ripe, I know that for sure. And you can see, oh, well, you know, it was a late bloomer. I don't know, I'm not going to chance it. Who knows? Ooh, that's still a bit green, but it's definitely a different colour. We're going to leave that one. This is exciting because you don't know what you're going to get, so I'm going to take one of them home, and the other's going to get watered.
Ooh, that's good. Wow.
Wow! Oh, that's good.
Oh, it smells really good. It's ripe. It's super ripe.
Oh, wow. It's still warm.
It's super
got
ripe.
big
The
seeds.
texture is perfect. It's crisp.
All right. Taste them now.
Listen to that.
Oh, it's looking good.
Do you want that?
You're going to eat it with the seeds in?
Mm-hmm.
Good?
Really sweet. It's really, really, really sweet. Oh, you should have it. This is really sweet. Okay.
Well, that's a great success. Sugar baby grown in the UK. Perfect. I'm very pleased, and I'm going to eat the rest of this.